Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to walk you through something I get asked about a lot: how a complete beginner can learn algorithmic trading. And not just from a theoretical point of view, but from a practical, real-world, hands-on perspective. I'll be showing you how I personally think about this path, what tools helped me, what mistakes I made, and how I'd do it all again if I were starting from scratch today. So whether you're a retail trader just dipping your toes into algo systems or an intermediate quant building out your edge in crypto, stocks, or forex, this is for you. Let me start by saying that algorithmic trading used to feel like this impenetrable wall of code and jargon. But that's changed. Today, it's no longer just hedge funds running complex high-frequency strategies. The barriers have come down. If you're comfortable with basic trading concepts and you're willing to learn, then you're already ahead of where I was when I started. I realized pretty early on that algorithmic trading matters more than most beginners understand. Roughly 80% of stock market volume in the US is now automated. These aren't just bots scalping pennies. They're systems that make consistent, rules-based decisions, 24/7, across different markets and conditions. And they're increasingly available to people like you and me, not just institutions with million-dollar servers. I saw firsthand that algorithmic systems offer speed and precision that human traders simply can't match. A bot can react to a signal in milliseconds, while we're still hesitating or double-checking our setup. They also eliminate emotional decision-making. There's no panic selling or FOMO with a bot. It just follows the rules. Always. And most importantly, algorithms let you backtest. That means I could test my ideas using years of historical data, across different market conditions, without risking any real money. I could simulate a strategy, tweak it, retest it, and learn exactly what its strengths and weaknesses were. And when it worked, I could scale it across markets or even automate the whole thing. But that doesn't mean algo trading is without risks. In fact, the very first time I deployed a bot on a live account, I learned the hard way that poor data or overfitted strategies can burn you fast. If your strategy is too closely tailored to past data, it might look amazing in backtests but fail in live markets. And don't even get me started on infrastructure risks. Things like broken APIs, server downtime, or even bugs in your code that cost real money. I've been there. So here's how I recommend beginners start. I always tell people to begin with simple, rule-based strategies. For example, a moving average crossover strategy. Something like, buy when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day, is easy to understand and easy to code. You don't need fancy machine learning for that. When I started, I used tools like MetaTrader 4, which uses its own scripting language called MQL4. It's great for forex and CFD trading, and there's a massive community with tons of tutorials. Then I discovered TradingView, which uses Pine Script. It has a beautiful interface, lets you test your ideas right on the chart, and gives you access to public strategies created by other traders. That alone taught me more than any textbook. For folks who don't want to code, there are platforms like Capitalise.ai, which let you create strategies using plain English, like buy EURUSD when RSI is below 30 and close the trade when it goes above 70. There's also Coinrule for crypto traders, which lets you build logic visually and connect it to exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Regardless of what tool you choose, backtesting is non-negotiable. I always stress that. Before I trust any strategy, I test it on years of historical data. I'm not looking just for profit. I'm checking for things like drawdown, win-loss ratio, average trade length, and volatility. That's where I really learn whether the logic holds water. And I make sure to validate the strategy, not just optimize it. I use something called walk-forward analysis, which means I test my strategy on one period of data, then roll it forward and test it again on unseen data. It forces the system to prove itself in different market conditions. This was a total game changer for me because it stopped me from blindly trusting backtests that only look good on paper. Once I understood the basics, I moved on to coding strategies in Python. That's where things opened up. Python has an incredible ecosystem. Libraries like Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, and TALib make it easy to work with data, calculate indicators, and even apply machine learning techniques if you want to. But let me be clear, I didn't jump into machine learning right away. First, I focused on using Python to automate simple rule-based systems. I download historical data, clean it, define my asset universe, like the top 20 cryptos by volume or S&P 500 stocks, and then code my signals and backtest them. When I was ready to trade live, I connected Python to brokers using APIs. I used platforms like Alpaca for stocks, OANDA for forex, and Binance API for crypto. I also discovered QuantConnect, which runs on a framework called Lean. It lets you build and backtest strategies in C# or Python and supports a massive range of asset classes, stocks, futures, options, crypto, forex, even ESG ETFs. QuantConnect quickly became one of my favorite platforms for professional-grade strategies without the institutional price tag. Eventually, I began experimenting with machine learning. But I waited until I had a solid base in rule-based logic and understood how to validate performance. When I did dive into ML, I started with simple models, like logistic regression to predict directional movement based on technical indicators. Then I explored random forests and reinforcement learning for position sizing. But I learned early on that machine learning isn't magic. It's very easy to overfit, especially when you don't have enough data or the right preprocessing pipeline. So I used ML models carefully, as filters are components of larger strategies, not the entire decision engine. I also learned to focus on interpretability. If I couldn't explain why a model was making a decision, I didn't trust it with my money. At that point, infrastructure became more important. I started running my bots on a VPS so they'd stay online 24/7. I built logging systems to track every trade, including reasons for entry, time of execution, price, P/L, and market conditions. I set up alerts, email, Telegram, even SMS, for when something went wrong. I also got serious about risk control. I defined stop losses and take profits for every strategy. I limited my daily loss exposure. I diversified across uncorrelated markets and strategies. And most importantly, I reviewed performance weekly. I didn't just set and forget my bots. They needed ongoing supervision, updates, and retuning. Of course, I made mistakes along the way. I over-optimized strategies that looked incredible in backtests but fell apart in live markets. I underestimated how small bugs could snowball into big losses. And I occasionally fell for the hype of 1000% ROI, strategies that weren't sustainable. But each mistake made me a better developer and risk manager. One of the first strategies I deployed successfully was a simple RSI-based bot on Bitcoin. I used Coinrule to build it without coding. It would buy when RSI dropped below 30 and sell when it went above 70. I backtested it across a year of data, tweaked it for different volatility conditions, and then paper traded it for a few weeks. Once it held up, I deployed it live on a $500 test account. I set alerts via Telegram and kept close tabs on its behavior. It gave me consistent results for a few months, nothing insane, just solid, compounding returns. If I had to lay out a beginner roadmap today, I'd suggest starting with rule-based strategies on TradingView or MetaTrader. Get the logic right. Backtest thoroughly. Then move to Python or QuantConnect, integrate broker APIs, and explore paper trading. Only after you've built multiple systems that work should you start exploring machine learning, and even then, go slow, stay explainable, and monitor obsessively. The key takeaway I'd share is this: algorithmic trading isn't about complexity. It's about discipline, validation, and robustness. It's not just code, it's mindset. Treat your bot like a professional trading partner. Monitor its performance, give it limits, and never assume it's infallible. So to wrap up, start simple, validate everything, build strong infrastructure, and respect the real-world complexity of markets. Algorithmic trading can be incredibly rewarding, not just financially, but intellectually. It teaches you to think in systems, measure objectively, and manage risk with precision. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Maybe I can walk you through a live strategy build in Python, show you how I use QuantConnect, or do a case study of one of my bots in action. Thanks for watching, stay disciplined, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.